Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bright, colorful, fun look as we approach summer. This is giving off citrus vibes to me. I think of oranges, lemons, and limes. It's using a forgotten eyeshadow palette from Profusion Marigold. And I think this palette is beautiful, so beautiful. And I haven't played with Profusion in a while, so I thought, let's do that. To start off with, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and the Be Pure Infused Powder under the eyes, just a tad for any fallout that I might have. Not a lot of fallout. And of course the Profusion Marigold eyeshadow palette. So the first shadow I'm going to pick up is on a fluffy blending brush that is slightly tapered to a point, and it's the matte yellow in the palette. These do have names, but I did put that name card to the side. So we're just going to call up what colors they are. So I'm applying this in the inner portion up to about halfway into my crease. And once that is done, I'm going to be picking up this beautiful green. It's a matte green, and it is the darkest matte lime green in the palette, because there's two. And I'm taking this on a more dense blending brush. I am going to pat this in the outer corner and pat this up into the rest of the crease, so on the other half of the crease area. Because these shades are very similar in family, they will blend very nicely. Now I'm taking the other matte lime green and the lightest one, and I'm going to take a little bit on the brush and go around the edges of the green I just placed. And I don't put it near the yellow yet, and I'm going to blend the yellow with the green and the green with the yellow. There's going to be a little bit of blending throughout this video, but they do blend really easily together. So next up, I'm taking the shimmery orange in the eyeshadow palette. This color is absolutely beautiful, and it's very pigmented. There was little bit of slight fallout with this one. Not much. And I'm just taking that on a flat shader brush, and I'm just kind of pressing and kind of swiping that onto the lid. That is the lid, and now we're going to blend. I'm going to add more shades. And then I'm taking the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I'm using this as a highlight because the highlight shade in the palette is a little bit dark for my skin tone, and I don't think that I would pull it off with this look. I don't think it meshed well, so I used what I was comfortable with using. And more blending. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going to put the green, yellow on the lower lash line. So pretty. I love how this look came out. It is so fun and bright. I'm taking this light shimmery green in the palette, and I'm using that in the inner corner. This is like a mixture of a yellow and a green, I should say. And I kind of blend that in with a lid a little and bring it up slightly in the crease and on the lower lash line. Wiping away fallout, and I'm using Eyeshadow Studio Gel Eyeliner in Season Date, and this is an eyeliner from Santee. I'm obsessed with this orange eyeliner. I got this from Shop Masay as well. Eyeshadow Studio Lash Adhesive, and I realized that you could barely see the lashes, but they're from Ioni, and they were stuck to my finger as I was trying to apply them. But Ioni lashes are always very easy to apply. Benefit Roller Lash to mesh my eyelashes with the false lashes. And no lower mascara, because I'm just not the biggest fan of that anymore. And so the eyes are done, and now for lips it's the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lipgloss in Strawberry Daiquiri. Such a pretty, easy look to achieve. Look how cute my nails are. Little kitties on them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more videos using Profusion. This summer, I'm making it my personal mission to go through and try to use a lot of the palettes that I haven't touched in a while. Probably at the end of summer to declutter. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box in the cards for additional links, and a product list in the description box. So I thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.